Hello everybody, this is Robert here again, back with another tutorial. This time I would like to show you how to write with a stylus on Microsoft Word. This is Microsoft Word, I believe 2016 version or 2013, let me see. It's 2016 version of Word. But it will work with also 2007 versions of Word and forward, I believe. Okay, so you'll need the hardware. In this case, I have a starboard, which will let you move the cursor with a pen or a stylus instead of just with the mouse, or a touch screen. Touchscreen computer or a mouse or a tablet or a smartphone will work as well with Microsoft Word. So you open the document that you want to annotate on, and then you need to go to Review, and then start inking. Now if it doesn't do this, the inking doesn't have the start inking thing on, if it's like grayed out, then you'll probably have to just click on it to tap on an area and then tap that to start inking with the pen. So let's say just start writing, annotating what you want to annotate, and if you need and if you need an eraser, you have it right there, which I'll just do it like that. There we go. Or if you want to highlight something, you just tap that here and then highlight, and then go back to the pen. If you want to select an object, you can just tap the select objects and then select the object you want and do with it as you need to. Like you can move it around. I can't do that here, but anyway, you can also change the color to like whatever you want. Let's say I want to do like magenta, and you'll say and this is good, handy for annotating reports. You can also do the thickness as thick as you need it. Things like that. Now if you need to do some math, let me do about 3.8. If you're going to need to do some math, then there's this function to ink to math. You click on that, you tap on that, and then just start inking, start writing whatever math equation you have. Let's say I want x equals x equals the integral from 0 to t and if you need to select and correct, you can do that. You can just select the stroke that you did and then correct it to whatever you need, just like I did there for the integral. So x naught t and things like that. And then you can insert it, and it's pretty much right there. So other than that, that's pretty much it. You can change the color, thickness, whatever you need. And just gonna scroll down, and that's it. So, and then you can, if you want to stop inking, you just tap that to stop inking. So that's all I have for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments below. Take care. Have a great day. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on handwriting in Microsoft Word for any Word document that you need. You can do something similar in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope this video is informative to you. If it is, give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, just comment them down below. Subscribe over here on the left side of the screen. That's where you can subscribe. And here on the right side is a video that YouTube recommends for you. So I don't know what that video is, but hope you enjoy it. And have a great day, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye! Hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on handwriting in Microsoft Word for any Word document that you need. You can do something similar in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope this video is informative to you. If it is, give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, just comment them down below. Subscribe over here on the left side of the screen. That's where you can subscribe. And here on the right side is a video that YouTube recommends for you. So I don't know what that video is, but hope you enjoy it. And have a great day, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!